Hey folks, what's up? So we're here with one of our Bunononos customers, right? But we don't want to put her on camera. But there's something that we need to show you, right? A joke. You have to say something. Make sure talk. But more you come here, camera lady. Check out the jeans there. But don't. Come back for me. Don't show your face, come back for me. What you want to say? What you want to tell the people them say?
I just love that when I pay for it the day before, I get it the day after, and it's quick and fast, and they always come through for me.
You see that, guys? You see me do this? And I take the compliment. Thank you so much for that compliment. And I want to compliment you on being with the finest shipping company. And I want to compliment you on that bad jeans I have on. Show the people my jeans again. She not have slippers, but you saw I told them does. When I saw I told them, what do people them say? What do young people them say? Did? You saw I told dids. And she in her yard and she have on her ankle, what you call it, ankle bracelet.
Ankle.
You saw our customer them turn up. Alright guys, remember there's a link somewhere here. Either up on the screen or below. Click on it. Join us today so you can get some nice shipping and we can come and show you pretty jeans.
Yeah.
Bye. Tell them bye for me.
Bye.
Alright, bye bye.